Welcome back to Travel Mate Always. In part 1, we covered the basics of e-commerce SEO. Today in part 2, we are diving into advanced strategies that will take your website to the next level. These tips are a game changer, so stick around until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you enjoy this content. Let's jump right in. Tips number 1, implement schema markup. Schema markup helps search engines understand your website better. For e-commerce, use product schema to show price, availability and ratings directly on search results. This improves your click-through rate. Tools like Google's Structured Data Markup Helper can simplify this process.
I have an exciting announcement for all of you. If you want to secure your browser to manage Facebook, LinkedIn, Amazon, TikTok, eBay account, then one and only GoLogin is the best solution for you. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting.
Tips number 2, optimize your site structure. Your site should be easy to navigate. Create clear categories and subcategories. For example, if you sell cloth, you can structure your site like this: home, then man, then jackets, winter jackets. These not only improve your user experience but also help search engines crawl your site more effectively. Tips number 3, build high quality backlinks. Backlinks are crucial for SEO. Reach out to bloggers, create shareable content, or collaborate with influencers in your niche. High quality backlinks give signal to Google that your site is trustworthy. Use tools like SEMrush to track your backlink and find the new opportunities. Tips number 4, use internal linking. Internal linking guides users through your site and boosts SEO. Link to related products or blog posts. For example, if someone is viewing a coffee mug, link them to your top 10 coffee accessories blog post. This keeps user engaged and improve their overall experience. So that's wrap on part 2 of SEO tips for e-commerce websites. Implementing these advanced strategies can give you an edge over competitors. If you missed part 1, go check it out for the basics. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more SEO and career tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I will reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.